Hello, hope you are all doing great. In the last video, we discussed about how to plug in the values to your quadratic formula. In this video, we are going to discuss two of the most important things. Okay, in your exam, most of the time you are asked to write your answer of quadratic formula in decimal places or in significant figures. So we are going to discuss about both the things, like how we can put our answer in the decimal and how we can put our answer into significant figure form. Well, I'm just going to, quickly plug in the values into the formula. If you don't know how to plug in the values into the formula, you can just check out the first video on my channel. Okay, so A here is going to be 2, B is going to be 5, and C is going to be -4. I'm just quickly going to plug into the value. So it's -5, positive and negative sign, then we have the square root, and B square means 5 square, -4, A is 2, C is -4. Okay, in the denominator I have 2 and A is 2. I'm just going to, simplify this thing. -5 plus minus 5 square is 25, minus this minus sign will make plus, right? Negative and negative sign will make positive sign because they are being multiplied with each other. So positive for 4 times is 16, and 16 2 times is 32. And then we have 2 plus 2, that is 4. Now I'm just going to do my next step. I'm just going to simplify it more. I'm going to get -5 plus minus 25 plus 32 will give me 57. And 2 to 4. Okay, now I'm not done here. I have to find out two roots for the x. Okay? So my first x would going to be equals to -5 plus square root 57 divided by 4. And my second x will be going to be -5 minus square root 57 divided by 4. Okay, I'm just quickly rubbing it up so I can do this step here. X equals to -5 plus square root 57 divided by 4, and x equals to -5 minus square root 57 divided by 4. Okay, just put your values into the calculator, okay, and you're going to get your answer. Okay, 7.5498 or something like that. And then I will do -5, that will give me 2.5 or something, and divided by is going to give me 0.6374. So x equals to 0.637, and so on. 3.137 minus 3.137. As I have to give my answer to 3 decimal places, this means I should only have 3 digits after a decimal point, right? So in this case, 1 digit, 2 digits, and 3 digits. I'm going to round off this 4, and this is my decider. This will tell me should I round off the 4 or not. Okay, x is equals to 0.63. As the next digit 4 is smaller than 5, so this means I'm not going to round it off. So 0.3. So I have 3 digits after a decimal point. This means my answer is to 3 decimal places. Okay, for this one, x equals to 1, 2, 3, and this is my decider. And this is going to be the value that I have to change, right? So minus 3.13. This is also 4. This means I'm not going to round the 7 off, right? Why? Because the 4 is less than 5. So minus. Okay, now come to the question 2. For the question 2, you have to put the value of the same thing to the 3 significant figures. First of all, you do all the steps like we did for the question 1. So x equals to -8 plus square root 124 divided by 6, and x equals to -8 negative square root 124 divided by 6. Okay, just going to plug in the value into calculator and getting my answer. Okay, so x equals to 0.52258. X equals to, okay, again 124 square root is this thing, then negative will make positive sign. So 3.18925. Always remember, when you are putting values in the calculator, put -8 and negative square root 124 directly. Yeah, you can do it if you put the numbers in the brackets. Okay, if you are not using the brackets, then minus will make plus, and we always keep the sign with the biggest number with the answer. Okay, in this case the biggest number is 8, and 8 has negative sign, so I will put -3.18925. Okay, these are my two values. Now I have to round them to 3 significant figures. Now I don't have to care about how many values I have with the decimal point after decimal. Okay, for the significant figures, for the first figure that you will consider significant, it should be a non-zero number. Okay, it should be a non-zero digit. Okay, so in this is going to be my first significant figure, and this is going to be my second, and this is going to be my third significant figure. This means this is my third and this is my decider. In this case, it will decide like should I round off the 2 or not. So x equals to 0.52. As it's 5, I mean if it's 5 or greater than 5, then you have to round it off. As it's 5, so I'm going to write 0. This one, x equals to, in this case my first non-zero digit that I have in my answer is this 3, right? So this 3 is my first significant figure, 1 is my second significant figure, and 8 is my third significant figure. And this 9 is going to be my decider. Okay, so I will do minus 3.1. I have to round 8 depending upon the next value, that is 9. 9 is greater than 5, so that means I have to round 8 to the next digit, that is 9. X equals to 0.5523 are going to be my two of the answers.